Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nitesh Kumar and I bring some practical electrical videos for you. So today the topic is vermin proofing and safety while working electrical. So whenever you are working in the electrical panel, you just be aware because what I have experienced that I'm just sharing you. Just watch this video. See, this was the electrical panel where we were working, and then we found there's a snake inside that. That how much dangerous this can be. Suppose if it is live, then what will happen? Because we checked this panel when unwanted tripping occurred, then we checked that what happened actually in that electrical panel. We have seen that there is a short circuit inside. How much dangerous this can be. So I just thought to share this video to all of you because all of you are watching an electrical engineer connected with my channel who has subscribed. Maybe you are the electrical engineering student, or you are the electrical engineer, or you are electrical technician who is working on site. So whenever you are working, whether it is in a control panel, whether it is any electrical panel, it is inverter or anything, then you just be aware because the vermin proofing is very much required. So just I just share some picture with you. See, this is the electrical panel where there was some hole inside that. See, this rat is the reason of short circuit. Here is the snake that entered inside a panel, a small panel, because suddenly if somebody open this, then what will happen? You may see the things like this. Okay, this can be very hazard. See here the black cobra is there. So just be aware, my friends, whenever you're working. See, this has been a very very dirty picture. Just be aware. But being as electrical engineer, you have to be safe because this video is only to just make you aware about the safety while work. And so I'll suggest you one of the things which is available in the market: cell phone. So if any unwanted hole, any unused hole inside the panel is there, you just close that. See, I'm not just marketing this product, but there are another product also available in the market. This is like a foam. Okay, if you just use this, then this can close the hole. And if you don't want to use it, then there are many things that can use. Okay, so just be aware. Thank you. Subscribe for practical electrical videos. Bye bye.